Watch this unfold. This is what the snowboarder saw just immediately before launch. Notice there's nobody signaling that it's okay on the far side of the blind jump. Can he see the far side of the blind jump? No. Is there somebody there? Maybe. Let's back up for a repeat of what the snowboarder saw during the approach. What did he see? A blind jump. No, wait, there's more. What is that up there to the right of the blind jump? That's a skier. What's that guy doing? Did the snowboarder notice it? I doubt it. So this is the moment of truth. Brace yourself. This could be a fatal collision, or it could be a near miss. The answer is yes, it was a near miss and not a collision, which could have been fatal. Just a few seconds after this near miss, there were 3 more snowboarders that jumped the blind jump and could have been involved in a really egregious collision. However, the skiers had the sense to stand off to the side of the jump out of collision proximity. Just in case you think that's an isolated case, here's another example of an even closer near miss.